country like India, where cricket, football, badminton, and boxing dominate the sports scene, 21-year-old Aditya Srikakulam is breaking the mold. While only about 21% of the world's population can juggle, Aditya is not only part of this elite group but is also about to set a new world record. Aditya, an electrical and electronics engineering student, has transformed his passion for juggling into a pursuit of greatness. His dedication to speed juggling and basic freestyle skills has already earned him a place in the Guinness World Records twice. Now, he is gearing up to claim his third Guinness World Record and his fourth alternative record. But Aditya's achievements don't stop there. He's also made his mark in the India Book of Records and the Asia Book of Records. Not content with just personal success, Aditya is also looking to the future of the sport. He requested the Ministry of Sports advocating for more opportunities and financial support for jugglers. His vision is to inspire more youngsters to take up juggling, ensuring the sport thrives in the country.
So it's a very unique game, and it's probably it's a sport that's the intersection of normal football and freestyle football. So there are many freestylers out there who have to practice juggling as one of the basic tricks in freestyle, and also there are many footballers who do this juggling. So with a football it's easy, but when you move to smaller balls, you have to your balance should be better, your concentration should be better, your focus should be better, and most importantly the area where the ball touches your feet is important. So you have to look at all those things. So table tennis ball juggling and tennis ball juggling, they're both stricter disciplines of this juggling record. So I saw the Guinness World Record of tennis ball juggling and table tennis ball juggling, and I decided to break the record. It does have a future, but it doesn't really have a future in terms of commercial value, because it improves your control and it improves your balance and other things. But it could have good relevance for the future, because if you do that well, you have a good chance of having better ball control while playing football. So it does help, definitely. When I started off, I played cricket like every other child, but soon, because of people playing football and other influences, I was hooked to the game, and I had an injury, a slight injury, albeit, but after that I decided to break the record. So that was why juggling. It's played an important role across Southeast Asia, but mostly in the Middle East, there are more takers for it, and in Europe and especially in USA, they don't consider football as a big sport, but there are quite a few people who do soccer juggling, for them soccer, so juggling in their country. There has been an American who has done it with 127 touches in 30 seconds, and I'm trying to break that record right now. So there has been a person who has done it already. All I'm saying is that we need to look at things in two ways. First is financial gain, and second is opportunistic gain. So we need to be given more opportunities first. If opportunities happen, then immediately more people are there to watch, and if there are more people to watch, money will flow in, because that's how you get money. So there has to be opportunities first given to people who have talents in other areas from mainstream sports, so they can express themselves more creatively.
I didn't have any such things. I'm okay with a child doing anything as long as it is not wasting it. So he was very consistent in his practice, and very in his that strategy of how he wanted to do it, when he wants to do. He was very clear in that. So, and I trusted him entirely. I didn't even think that you should play cricket, you should play football. This is not required. It was not so at all. I was with him always in all his decisions. I don't know. He could go ahead in this, because I also don't know what lays ahead. I don't know. But I'm with him if he wants to go ahead. If he wants to go to something else, because there are infinite avenues. So if he wants to go anywhere, he can do it. He can go ahead. So finally, at the end of the day, even if you are a rank holder, after 30, 40 years, you are all in the same level. So it doesn't matter. So a child should do what he or she wants to do. Only then the best can come out of them. So they can excel in everything. Everything can give you bread and butter. So whether it's like academics, the child does it if it wants to do. Parents should wholeheartedly allow that, encourage that, so that it can be easy. It need not be a struggle at home. Just to, for the child to achieve, The parents should never be an impediment.